farmer. Today, Chelsea and I, woohoo! We're headed out to go do a little bit of birthday shopping. She's got a big birthday coming up, hitting the big 3-0, which means I'm gonna go buy her a new combine today. Yay! She's so excited. I know. She's been looking at this 2188 for a long time. So we're headed up, gonna go check it out. Hopefully it's a good deal. The pictures I've seen online don't look too bad, but you never know till you get there and you actually look at it in person. So we got a long ways to go, traveling all the way up to Washington, Kansas, which is basically Nebraska. And might get some lottery tickets, might have some beef jerky, might have a good old time on the way up there. So here's to a long road trip to go look at a 2188 Case International Combine. Yeah, so you just scratch the tickets right there and hopefully we win $1 million. And that right there would buy us a new combine.
Turn left, then take a slight left turn.
Oh, here we are. We're gonna go buy Chelsea a brand new combine for her birthday. Woohoo!
Take a slight left turn, then the destination is on your right.
Yep, there we are, boys. Oh, there's all kinds of pretty red stuff here for Chelsea.
I've been saying for a long time.
Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here. Sounds good. It's all running good. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Well, there it is right there. There's my new combine. Happy birthday, Chelsea. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. You got a new combine for your birthday. I love you so much. Oh my goodness. You're gonna look so good driving that. Oh yeah. Or the grain cart. Whatever you want to do. Grain cart or the new 2188. What are we gonna call that thing? I guess we can call it from the guy we bought it from. I guess we call it Shelby.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go drive Shelby. Whew. All right, now we're gonna go get something to eat, but I now own a 2188 Case International Combine, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo! I want to show you guys this good show I'm watching. Oh, look at that. Looks like it's a Smallville farmer. Make sure if you guys like this show, you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Sounded fine. The motor sounded fine, I thought. When I kicked everything on, I didn't hear any like rattling or anything going nuts. So I don't know. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm sure it's gonna make a difference going from something that a 1480. Something that was, what is that one? 1983. I'm going from a 1983 1480 all the way to a 1997 2188. Should be nice. I'm excited. I can't wait to get it home now.
More expensive, part-wise.
I don't know. Anything with red paint's expensive. Or green paint. More so green paint. Well, there you go, babe. Since she bought me a combine today, I'll let her go to Brahms. Go get some ice cream. Get some of that good fresh milk in there. Good stuff. So I told Chelsea that I was gonna go buy this combine for $30,000. She thought I was serious. And then when I was sitting there negotiating with the guy, and I was like, this is how much I'll give you. And she was like, huh? 30,000? So now she's happy because I did not spend anywhere close to $30,000 on this machine. So life's good. Well, that's gonna do it for today's big episode of buying a brand new machine. Well, new to me. We got a lot more horsepower, newer cab, bigger cleaning area, bigger rotor, big. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.